he's glad that we're here.
Oh, bless him. Coochie coochie coo.
Hey guys!
I love this graffiti.
Oh, it's really nice.
It's like a proper Spanish street, this.
I know, I forget how it looks like. Look how Instagrammable.
Hola!
Bienvenidos a España!
Yeah! So we're in Spain. We got up and it was an early flight, wasn't it? And then, what else did we do? We just got here, really.
Why is my whole life walking behind you?
Had 2 pints for breakfast.
In the background of my video. This is my shadow, you might remember her from India. And yeah, we're just off to Mas, the supermarket, because I fancy buying some stuff. But yeah, let's hit the Spanish supermarket. So I'm just buying some essentials that I couldn't get. I'll bring over because I only brought hand luggage. So sun cream, some head and shoulders because I've got a flaky scalp. I'll just get this one. This one will do. Can you put that back where you found it? The quality of fruit and veg, like this apple, is huge. Peach. This is why we love Spain. Me gusta. Do you love Spain?
It's alright.
Why are you shy?
I'm not shy.
You're so shy.
I'm not shy, man.
Right, so I should probably explain what I'm doing in Spain. So I'm actually here with Joseph, my cousin, because we're on holiday here. We're in a lovely little town called San Juan d'Alacant.
That's right.
And we're just here for a week. Well, I'm here for a week. Joe's been here for like 3 weeks already. But yeah, that's what we're doing. The oasis.
You telling Nana that I should be outside tidying up just to go with her in?
It is scorching. What a beautiful day. We just went for a 35-minute snorkel along, I don't know if you can see it, but along there. And halfway around, I dropped my GoPro. And I swear it was like a mile deep, and I had to dive down and get it. I just had to. Oh my god, donuts!
Harina mediano. Probably after it.
I'm gonna have mediana.
Just the size, top scoops. The size we took the fillet on the top.
So you get.
So you don't get to ask for
You could probably get mix and match.
Yeah, you can.
That one looks like a massive poo.
It does.
Look. These look like the boring ones.
No, that's after it.
Oreo.
Ferrero Rocher. No, fine. Medium to after it.
I went for the pistachio because Katie ordered it and didn't want it anymore when she seen the coconut. But I actually think pistachio is the most bougie of them all. You gonna try it? What do you think?
Tastes like nuts.
Good.
Ooh, right, nice.
It's nice. We've just got back from the beach. As you can see, I've caught the sun. The little eye goes out for everyone to see. And we're just chilling and jamming on the guitars.
Yep.
That's what we do here. That's how we do. So this one would be... I am...
Do you know Half the World Away by Oasis?
I know the song. I don't know how to play
No,
it.
but do you know the song? Is that not in the same strumming pattern?
Maybe.
Do you reckon?
Just jamming.
You know what, that strumming pattern's the same as Switch Out of Mine.
Is it?
Check the cheap.
Yes. Hey.
Goes round that for all the... Yeah, that's
Oh
what
my god.
How many
All these
do I have?
guitars coming from? Hey. Right, wait there. So G is that.
Yes. Alright.
Just gonna stop showing off the periods now. You're with the beginner, yeah?
Back D. And back D.
And then D is...
That one.
First one you played?
What was that?
Yeah,
Oh, that one. So it's like D,
C,
C, G, D,
then
D,
Aye, exactly.
G, D, C, G, D.
Exactly. Then when we're ready to change them.
Then get used to the changes.
Yes.
So
1, 2, 3, 4. Joan.
What's the other bit?
it's pretty Spanish if you ask me.
Yeah.
Man. Man. This is not even a joke. Wow. Wow. Anyway, that is my first day in Spain. Done. I can't believe it. I have got... Oh my god, look at that. I have got a little bit burnt. But yeah, classic day one. The camera is hopefully making it look so much worse than it is. Oh jeez. I have had such a good day, and I've actually not been back to this apartment in like 12 or 13 years. So it's crazy to come back here. It's like coming back to San Juan and El Campello, which is the beach we were at today. It's like walking on memory lane. But I'm gonna leave it here, so if you have enjoyed it, please do give it a thumbs up as always. And tomorrow I'm actually off to the market, so that should be cool. So subscribe to make sure that you see that, and I will see you guys in the next video. So take care and peace out. Adios, mi amigos.